To request Zopa online banking, start by going to the Zopa website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure you have your identification documents ready, as you will need to verify your identity. Next, you will need to choose the type of account you want to open. Zopa offers a range of products, including credit cards, loans, and savings accounts. Select the product that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the application. You will then be asked to provide some financial information, including your income and employment details. This is to help Zopa assess your creditworthiness and provide you with a decision on your application. Be honest and accurate when providing this information, as any inaccuracies could affect the outcome of your application. Once you have completed the application, you will be asked to verify your identity using a verification code sent to your phone or email. This is a security measure to protect your account from fraud. Enter the code correctly to proceed with your application. After verifying your identity, you will be given a decision on your application. If you are approved, you will be able to access your online banking account and start managing your finances. If you are declined, you will be given a reason for the decision and advice on how to improve your credit score. To get the most out of your Zopa online banking account, make sure to set up your login details and password securely. Use a strong password and keep it confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. You can also set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Finally, take some time to explore the Zopa online banking platform and familiarize yourself with its features. You can use the platform to check your account balance, view your transactions, and make payments. You can also use the platform to apply for other Zopa products and services, such as credit cards and loans. By following these steps and best practices, you can request Zopa online banking and start managing your finances securely and efficiently. Remember to always keep your account details secure and be cautious when providing personal and financial information online.